White Heavy Check Mark Unit 1 Introduction to Economics. 1 Wealth Definition of Economics, Adam Smith. Adam Smith defined economics as the study of wealth. It focuses on production, consumption, and accumulation of wealth. Economic progress depends on increasing wealth. Human welfare is linked to wealth creation. 2 Welfare Definition of Economics, Alfred Marshall. Marshall defined economics as a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. It emphasizes human welfare more than wealth. It studies how people earn and use income. Economic activities should improve human well-being. 3 Scarcity Definition of Economics, Lionel Robbins. Robbins defined economics as the science of scarcity and choice. Resources are limited but human wants are unlimited. Individuals must choose between alternatives. Economics studies how people allocate scarce resources. 4 Positive Economics. Positive economics explains what is in the real world. It deals with facts, cause-effect relationships, and actual data. It can be tested or verified. Example, higher price leads to lower demand. 5 Normative Economics. Normative economics explains what ought to be. It is based on opinions, values, and judgments. It suggests policies for economic welfare. Example, government should reduce inequality. 6 Production Possibility Frontier, PPF. PPF shows maximum possible output combinations from limited resources. Points on the curve show efficient use of resources. It explains scarcity, choice, and opportunity cost. Outward shift indicates economic growth. 7 Opportunity Cost. Opportunity cost is the next best alternative sacrificed. It represents the cost of choosing one option over another. Every decision involves a trade-off. Higher opportunity cost reduces available resources. 8 Accounting Profit. Accounting profit is equal to total revenue explicit, actual, costs. It is recorded in financial statements. Does not include opportunity cost. Generally higher than economic profit. 9 Economic Profit. Economic profit is equal to revenue, explicit plus implicit costs. Includes opportunity cost of resources. May be 0 or negative even when accounting profit is positive. Used in business decision making. 10 Incremental Concept. It examines additional cost or revenue from a decision. Used when comparing alternative choices. Helps managers choose the most profitable option. Focuses on changes in cost or benefit. 11 Marginal Concept. Marginal cost or revenue refers to one extra unit of output. Important for pricing and production decisions. Helps determine optimal output level. MC is equal to change in total cost for one more unit. 12 Time and Discounting Principle. Money today is more valuable than money in the future. Future values are discounted to present value. Helps in investment and capital budgeting decisions. Used to compare future benefits with present costs. 13 Concept of Efficiency. Efficiency means using resources to achieve maximum output. It avoids wastage and reduces cost. Improves productivity and profitability. Indicates optimal use of resources. 14 Inflation. Inflation is a continuous increase in general price level. Reduces purchasing power of money. Occurs when demand exceeds supply. Affects saving and investment decisions. 15 Depression. Depression is a severe and long-lasting economic downturn, characterized by very low production and high unemployment. Prices fall drastically due to low demand. It is the worst phase of the business cycle. 16 Recession. Recession is a temporary fall in economic activity. Output, income, and employment decline. Consumer spending reduces. Usually lasts for a few months to a year. 17 Recovery. Recovery is the phase where the economy starts improving. Production, income, and employment increase. Business confidence rises. Marks the movement from recession to prosperity. 18 Reflation. Reflation means increasing prices from a very low level. Government adopts policies like increased spending. Used to overcome depression or deflation. Aims to restore normal price levels. 19 Deflation. Deflation is a persistent fall in general price level, caused by low demand and excess supply. Increases purchasing power of money. Leads to reduced business profits and unemployment.